Today on the Stay at Home Chef, we're making a simple and delicious chicken pasta salad. This recipe is perfect for a quick lunch, dinner, or even a potluck. Simple ingredients, minimal prep, so let's get started. First thing we need to do is cook 1 pound of rotini pasta. Make sure you salt your water so it's salty like the sea. Then add in that pasta and cook it according to the package directions so that it is al dente. While we're over at the stove, we might as well cook our chicken. I'm gonna be cooking 1 pound of chicken, but you could definitely use store-bought chicken, leftover rotisserie, whatever works. To cook this chicken in a large skillet over medium heat, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in 2 chicken breasts to that. Then I like to season my chicken breast with a simple blend of 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure to get both sides. We're gonna let that chicken cook for about 5 minutes per side. It really depends on how thick your chicken is, but we need to cook that until it hits an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meanwhile, our pasta has finished cooking and it's perfectly al dente, so I'm going to drain that and then rinse that in cold water so it can chill the pasta and stop it from cooking anymore. Take that cooled pasta and transfer it to a salad bowl. Once you have safely cooked that chicken, go ahead and remove it, set it aside and let it cool completely, and then we'll cube it up. A pasta salad is really only as good as the dressing, so let's make a homemade Italian dressing for this. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna use about a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just a pinch of red pepper flakes. Whisk that all together until it looks nice and combined, and then simply pour that over those chilled cooked noodles. Give that a toss to make sure all of those noodles are coated with that Italian dressing. Now for the toppings, which are limitless, but for my pasta salad, I like to add 8 ounces of grape or cherry tomatoes. You can have them or leave them whole. 8 ounces of fresh mini mozzarella balls. I love the creaminess that they add to this salad. 1/2 to 1 cup of sliced black olives, depends on how much you love olives. And I love to add about 1/2 cup of roughly chopped pepperoncinis. They give just a little touch of bite and heat. And then about 1/2 of a red onion that I'm going to finely dice. Any of these ingredients, if you want to add or take away, then do it. This salad should be how you want it to be. You're gonna chop up that cooled chicken. Simply dice it up. You could shred it if you wanted to. And then add that to the salad. And then toss that until everything is evenly coated with the sauce and well mixed. You can eat it right away, but I recommend covering that up and popping it in the fridge for about an hour. It really helps those flavors to develop even more. Grab yourself a fork and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.